deep diving into concrete, so bittersweet.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below, turning on your post notifications and hashtagging Reesie Gang. Today I have another wig review featuring Luvmehair. This is sponsored. Today I'm going to be showing you all what's inside of this beautiful box, how I customize and install this wig, and my overall thoughts and opinions on this wig in general. So if you're interested in Luvme's Water Wave textured wig, then stay tuned. Bye.
Lisa, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
Let's get started. Today is brought to you by Luvmehair. This is a sponsored video. Of course, it came in a beautiful purple box. I know you guys been seeing those purple boxes everywhere because I know I have. But anyways, Luvme, the branding is impeccable, like a chef's kiss, you guys. I'm going to show you all what's inside this box. It came with a nice little note, a wig cap, a nice little goodie bag. I'm going to show you what's in the goodie bag. We got an edge control brush. We also have an extra elastic band, Luvme's little head wrap, as well as their branded bobby pins, hair accessories, as well as tweezers. This is definitely a wig starter kit right here. They also added a Mother's Day card for Mother's Day, which is so sweet, definitely in the season. And a Luvmehair little packet to show how to take care of your wig. So on to my favorite part, which is the wig, of course. So this wig is 13 by 4 inches. It is 16 inches, 180% density. We have 4 combs, you guys. 4 combs, a lot of combs. We also have an elastic band on the back, adjustable straps, so this wig will be tightly secured on you, you guys. Love the detail that Luvmehair does. And here's a nice up close and personal look of the lace. The lace does look really good. It looks low-key pre-plucked. You still can see the knots, but this Swiss lace is perfection. I love it. So you guys, I'm showing you how the hairline looks before I start to customize it. I did end up bleaching the knots as well as plucking the frontal, so definitely check out my other videos if you want a more detailed version. I did use BW2 bleach powder as well as 40 volume developer, then conditioned it with my purple conditioner to take out the brassiness. One thing I noticed is that the knots took forever to bleach while the hair turned very fast, so I didn't get to perfect the bleaching process, but side-by-side comparison, it still looks very good and it looks really natural, like scalp.
Your eyes tell me that you don't want to leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't want to spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on.
Alright you guys, you are here because you want to know more information about Luvmehair. Even though it is a sponsored video, I do truly give you honest reviews, and so I'm definitely going to give you my honest review on the hair itself. So I'm going to do the cons first and then end it with some pros to let you guys know what's really going on with this hair, you guys. So when I first got this hair, I liked it, but I knew I wasn't gonna like it all the way because it's short length and I don't like short curly hair personally. My first con is that, as you can see, it has like a little layered look, so the frontal is shorter than the actual hair, and then I have some very long pieces, as you can see. that might indicate the 16-inch. I think it's a 14 definitely for the fullness of the hair, but they try to claim it as 16, which it looks very shorter than 16 inches. Maybe they counted these longer pieces as 16 and called it 16. I don't know, but the layered look on curly hair is like a no-no for me. If you guys like layered looks, then definitely go for it. You can definitely cut into like a diva cut, in my opinion. I don't like how the frontal is shorter than the regular hair. The second con is that the lace is they don't give you too much lace space for the ears. So I did have to cut very short. I had to cut all right here. It does not give you too much space around the ears. So if you do have a bigger head, I'm a medium-sized head and it was too small for me. So definitely size up just in case, you guys, so you could at least have some cutting room around the ears so it can look more natural. Just because now I can't do like a side part and show my ears because I'm now a little self-conscious, because you can see my real hair right here poking out, and then like the baby hairs is too high up for me, you know what I'm saying? So that's the second con. The third con is the knots on the wig. So it was very hard to lift the black knots on this wig. I ended up having to wash the hair out very quickly after like 10 minutes of bleach when I was trying to bleach the knots, because the hair was already lifting compared to the knots. But as you can see on camera, it looks really good. In person, it looks really good. But if you really look close, like if someone was in like your personal space, you can see the black knots. I don't know if you can see on camera, but I can see it personally, and I don't like that because I want it to look very natural, like it's giving scalp. But it is low-key giving scalp. It's just I'm very picky when it comes to wigs. So I'm getting to the pros now, you guys, because you're like, dang, you have all this to say about this hair company. There is a bunch of pros that I really like. I love the luster of this hair. It's very high quality hair. I can tell that it's gonna last for a long time, 6 months and more, because of the luster and the feeling, the texture of this hair. I would say get as much density as possible. I believe this is like the lowest density, like 180. It still looks good and full, but if you want it to last a little longer than usual, definitely size up for the density. There was no tangling whatsoever, none tanglings, especially for some curly hair with this no tangling. I'm shook. I love just the curl pattern itself. Is giving water wave, a nice deep water wave. It's not like super coily. It's just a nice wave. It's perfect for if you're going on a trip, or if you're going like, anywhere to the beach or anything. Is giving that. I love it. And the lace itself is very soft and it was very easy to apply. I believe it is a Swiss. I might have it on the screen of what lace it is, but I love the lace itself. It was very easy to apply. It's on there for real, so the lace is good to go. I just wish the knots would lift. I did test the curl pat. I did test the hair to see if you can straighten it. So I'll insert this clip right now. As you can see, I straightened a piece of my hair while I was like applying the wig, just to test it out and see if it's gonna revert back to curly, and it definitely does revert back to curly. One thing is, if you are trying to straighten this unit, you might have to do a couple of passes, maybe 4 or 5 passes through the hair in order for it to be very straight, because then it's going to be a little bit frizzy, if you can tell. And then I reverted back to normal with the water, and that's pretty cool, like how you can straighten it and it reverts back to normal. So if you're wanting 2 wigs in one, you guys, definitely get this wig. So that is basically it. That's how I feel about the wig. Again, this is 100% an honest review from me, you guys. I want to keep it straight with you because some things might be looking cool on camera, but really in real life it might be something different. So I definitely wanted to let you guys know all that I experienced with having this wig. I just really love LUVME's branding. It comes with amazing little tools and all that. So definitely check out LUVME and their other wigs. Definitely, I'll try to get me another wig that's longer. I don't know, this hairstyle is growing on me. Let me know down below how you feel about this shorter hairstyle that I'm rocking. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.